How to find someone on Instagram by phone number. Finding someone on Instagram by phone number is quite easy and simple. Let's get started. Launch Instagram app on the device. Ensure to log in or sign in to your particular account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select three-line menu icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll a bit down or you can tap Account Center at top of the screen. On Account Center, scroll a bit down, select your information and permissions. Choose Upload Contacts and choose your Instagram account. Toggle on the button to connect contacts on Instagram and grant permission to access your contacts to Instagram. Tap Allow button and come back with this arrow. On the home screen, tap on the search icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now tap Search at the top of the screen. Enter the phone number that you want to find someone on Instagram, and once you enter the phone number, you will easily find someone on Instagram. That's it. That's how we easily find someone on Instagram by phone number. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.